Jack is asked to cut the cake into 8 equal pieces. He first cuts the cake into 4 in equal fourths in the shape of rectangles. By cutting it into rectangles, we know that he has created right angles in the corners of these rectangles, as well as in the top section of the rectangles. Then it says he cuts each rectangle along a diagonal. Did he cut the cake into 8 equal pieces, and explain? Another characteristic of a rectangle is that the bottom and the top are the same size. And that is true for all 4 rectangles. We also know that the left and right sides are the same on each rectangle, because rectangles have the same size on the left and right sides. And a final thing that we know is by cutting along the diagonal, that side is the same in both triangles because it's the same line. So this side is the same in both of those triangles. So did he cut the cake into 8 equal pieces? Explain. Are all 8 of these triangles the same size? Are they all identical? Yes, these triangles are identical. We can use side, 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 because we have the orange, blue, and red lines all the same in all triangles. Or, since we have that right angle in the corner, we can also use side, angle, side. We have the blue side, the green angle, and the orange side, creating side, angle, side. So they are identical, meaning he cut the cake into 8 equal pieces. Number 2 says, the bridge below, which crosses a river, is built out of 2 triangular supports. The point M lies on BC, that side. The beams represented by AM and DM are equal in length. Here is AM and DM. Since they are equal, we can indicate that with the tick mark. Then it says the beams represented by AB and DC are equal in length. If the supports were constructed so that angle A and angle D are equal in measurement, is the point M the midpoint of BC? Explain. Well, we know that triangle ABM is congruent to triangle DCM because we have side, angle, side. Since these triangles are identical, we know that side BM and CM have to be the same size. And since they are the same size, M has to be in the middle of BC. In order to create BM and CM being the same length, M has to split BC in the middle.